Run, run, run. Make them fly away. Oh, they're not scared of you, moms?
No.
Yeah, they're just birds. They're not going to hurt you.
See?
Yeah. Welcome to Davy Lane Locker. This is Davy Lane TV. Today, Ezra, Anastasia, and myself are gonna do magnet fishing. We have a previous video where Ezra and I went magnet fishing, and well, you gotta watch the video. I'll link it somewhere. I'll try to do the top corner link, and that's what happened. And so today we got a new magnet, and we're gonna go over here at the Fireman's Park, and we're gonna see what we can do. We got something.
We got it.
Yeah.
Good job.
More seaweed. Here we go. Throw it again.
More serious, Dad.
Watch out.
What did you get?
Another hook. A little tiny one. Let's show the camera.
Yay! We got it. We got the tiny.
We got another tiny little hook.
What is it?
All right. We're getting stuff. 2 hooks for this giant barrel. Okay, try to throw this one a little farther. Okay, watch out with the rope. So after a couple casts, we're gonna move to a different spot and see what we can do. There's a lot more places to go around here, so let's go.
Can we just cut this?
No, we're not gonna pretend. We're not gonna lie.
No, we just pretend.
Duck. Duck. Come on, come on behind. Look at all the seaweed. Look at that. Whoa, we got something.
What?
We got something. We got look, hold on. Woo. We got a lock.
No!
We got a lock. Yeah.
So we can lock someone when we find someone.
Here, put in the bucket.
Come over here.
We're going to give magnet fishing a little break. The kids want to go look at the ducks and play with the birds. Unfortunately, we didn't bring no bread to feed them, but they'll still have some fun.
We tried to get some birds. We didn't catch them to you guys, and then that didn't happen. We didn't have bread or nothing to get to them. So next time, bye.
This is our grand total of what we caught. For our first catch, it's a lot. We got
Oh, I'm bleeding.
we got a locker. A lock. For a locker.
So lock someone.
We found this little piece of rock.
Okay.
And we found 2 hooks. We'll be rich by tomorrow.